Hi, this is Daniel Whitney, and today I will be walking you through how to make a folder connection in ArcMap. So right now you can see I have ArcMap up with a simple base map, and making a folder connection is going to be necessary anytime that we want to add data to ArcMap. So first we're going to start with finding selection, and right beneath selection is our add data button. Now you can click the small arrow downward when you want to add a base map or get data specifically from ArcGIS Online, but today we're focusing on making a folder connection with data that we have currently stored on the computer. So I'm going to add data, and we'll see here, connect to folder. So initially, whenever you store some data on your computer in some folder, ArcMap will not have access to that until you make connection to that folder. So we're going to connect to a folder here, and then on my PC I'm going to find a folder with some data in it, hit OK, and now the data that's in this folder is available to me, and I can add it to my current ArcMap session. And now I've added the data. And this covers connecting to a folder using ArcMap. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll do the best I can to get back to you. Thank you.